Hi, my name is Tai. I'm the CEO of our company W-Quadrat from Gansberg in Germany. It's near Baden-Baden, and we were founded in 1997, so mostly 30 years ago. Yeah, so we are a very pioneer installer in Germany. And 2 years ago, here on the Intersolar 23, I discovered AIKO as a manufacturer with a very high efficiency. So that's the first time I heard from AIKO. My experience was 23, very good, where we repowered our own office building. This is a 43 kilowatt peak, 16 years old PV plant with high performance modules, and we repowered it with 79 kilowatt AIKO modules with 450 watt peak. So we doubled the power, and efficiency is very good, so the yield was fantastic. In November 23, we tested it at our office, so I have the experience that the yield is about 10% higher than the standard TopCon module. So it was very impressive to see 10% higher yield for these 450 watt peak modules. Yeah, for the full black module is very aesthetic. It's very nice to see, and they are really impressed about the efficiency. So former times we had modules only with 425 watt, and now we have 470. It's fantastic for our customer to have a very efficient and very aesthetic module. Yes, of course. The price is reasonable, and the efficiency is the best on the market. Yeah, and the aesthetic also.